The Ovos V6004 classic design lever handle, suitable for light commercial and housing use. It is similar to the Ovos V6003 but has a return end which prevents hands sliding off and coats catching. Matching pull handle is the V6102, which features an offset oval shape. Can be supplied with sprung or unsprung rows. The V6004 can be fitted chunky or slim, reversing the installation. All Ovos handles are designed to be both attractive and ergonomic. The finish shown is in satin stainless steel. Other finishes are available to order. Design by Kearney.com.